Hello friends, welcome to Otica Electronics company. Today we are going to demonstrate how to use Otica Portable phlegm suction machine. This is a very good machine. It comes with 18 months warranty. So you can see it's build up quality. Okay, now we are going to open it. Like so, first of all we'll do some unboxing and we will explain you the things. They have given the proper packaging material. So the machine will get not any kind of damages. You see. They have given the user manual. This is the machine. So yeah, this box is aside. So you can see the machine comes. This is very quite portable machine. You can see the weight is good enough. You can see the machine comes with all required accessories. So first of all, we need to open it. Now these are the connection. This is a very important part. You need to connect it. You can see company has given 3 filters. No company has given 3 filters. Most of the companies are giving 1 filter or maximum 2 filters. Company has also given this suction cannulas along with the device. Company has given this suction connector and 2 short tubes. And this is the canister. You just need to push it down. Okay, so this is the suction machine. You can see there is a power outlet here, power inlet. Sorry. Machine comes with all the required accessories along with, so you don't need to go to find any other accessories in the market. Okay. So first of all, we will let you know how to set up the device. You just need to keep it here. Okay. There are 2 things. First of all, you can see one air inlet is there here. You can see, and you can see later the things are available here. Okay. Now this is the main portion, or we can say main canister. This is a very important part. First of all, you need to connect this filter, and this filter outlet will goes inside to the machine. You just keep it aside so you will be better understood. You just need to put here. So make sure that you are connecting like this. Now the second short tube will going to connect here. Okay, so this is the first connection. See, the bottom has given one side is a vacuum. See, or you can remember a long tube inside of the canister is going to the machine. You can remember this. This is how you need to connect. Okay, so we just need to put it here. Now the long tube company has given is for the patient side. You just need to connect this tube to the patient side. Okay, so these 2 standby filter you can keep in a good condition. So in future, if this filter got damaged due to over liquid towards the machine, you can replace these filters. So we have to put it aside. Now this is the suction connector company has given. You need to connect this suction connector here. Okay, make it all the connections are firmly tight enough. Okay, now at the other end we need to connect this suction catheter. This suction catheters are sterile, so company gives you a 2 catheter. So this is how the entire connection. Company has given 2 different size suction connectors, suction catheters, so you can use it wherever you require. So you can see, first of all, first there will be a suction connector. It is going to connect with this suction connection or suction connector. Then a long tube will go 2 sides the patient. You can see this is the patient side. Company has written it properly. Okay, and the other side of canister is going to the machine, but with the help of this filter. Make sure this filter is there. Otherwise, if the water is getting over and water can go inside of the machine and the machine can get damaged. So this filter is a prevention of a liquid damage. So all the connections are now proper. We are going to connect the machine, and you can see the connection has started. You can adjust the flow rate from this. If you will keep it at tight, the suction at its maximum level. Now we have taken this water bottle for your reference. You can see whenever we insert it like this, you will see it is suctioning. capture the entire work. The water has started suctioning. This is how you can see. So this is how you need to grasp the suction phlegm from the throat. As well as this suction machine is utilized by many pajama centers. As well as this suction machine is used during the delivery. And in delivery you can adjust the suction from here. Or for example we can take, you can see now we are removing the connector. You can see whenever you can adjust the flow rate of the suction here. You can see you can increase and decrease the flow, which will be indicated in this indicator. So this is how the suction machine works. And Otica provides 18 months warranty. So ultimately this is a good, tiny and effective machine. Thank you for watching.